heart's running wild.
Hi family, welcome back to my channel. Depending on where you're watching me from, good evening, good morning, and good afternoon. So in this video, I'm going to review a very good cream that we overlook. Okay, we overlook it, but it's very nice only if you get the original. If you buy the fake one, it will do wahala to your skin, but if you're lucky and you get the original one, then praise be to God, you're going to glow. Okay, look at how I'm glowing. Look at how I'm glowing. So today's cream is Skin Success Fade Milk. Okay, Skin Success, Palmer Skin Success with vitamin E, anti-dark spot fade milk. Look at the name. The name speaks for itself. Okay, it speaks for the cream. Okay? So this cream has been on the market for years, like for years. It says over 175 years this cream has been on the market, and we overlook it. Okay, this is a very nice cream. Normally I use the Medix 55 cream, but like it runs out on the website I buy from. So whilst I was waiting for my Medix to arrive on the website, I decided to try this Palmer's Fade Milk. Oh God, why didn't I see this cream sooner? Like, why? Why? One cream, one cream, just this cream. Let me read what it promises to do. And it's not just written, oh, it does what it says. It says improves the appearance of dark spots, uneven skin tone, brightens the skin, targets dark spots, corrects discoloration, deeply moisture. If you get their oil, Palmer's oil, and you have this one, my sister, you're going to love your skin. My brother, you're going to love your skin. Like right now, look at how I'm glowing. Like, it's nice. I know I'm using the camera and everything, but if your skin is not nice, even though you use the light and everything, you're not going to glow. My sister and my brother, you won't glow. Okay, this cream is very small but mighty. The only thing I don't like about this cream is too small. As this, look, Medix is 444 ml. This one is just 250 ml. So you just squeeze one and the cream will finish. And it's so expensive. Like, I think I bought it like maybe 14 euro, 13 euro. I don't really remember, but I bought two. This is one here. I have extra one here because I realized the cream was very good, so I got another one. I had to order another one. And the cream is not also full. Oh, it starts from here. If you can see in the shadows, it starts from here. I don't know why Palmer's is cheating us, but enough of the size. If it's good, it's good. The cream is very good. Okay, the direction says apply twice daily on clean dry skin, focusing on more pigment prone areas such as elbow, here, knees, elbows, knees. If you are someone who has stopped bleaching, I'm always condemning bleaching. Like, if you stop bleaching, you want a nice cream to glow your skin, please look for this one, as it promises to treat all body discolorations. Okay, let me read the back. It says dark spots and uneven skin tone can appear all over the body, typically caused by sun exposure, acne scars, pregnancy, or even severe dryness. Palmer Skin Success Fade Milk is a tone correcting body lotion. Like, it will tone you. It will tone you. It's a tone correcting body lotion that targets pigment prone areas such as the knees, the elbows, feet, to visibly correct unwanted discoloration. So after you bleach, all these dark knuckles, foot knuckles, dark spots, stretch marks, uneven patches, uneven whatever, is going to clear everything. Okay, it's small but mighty. Palmers, please make a bigger size. This is not good. Please make a bigger bottle for at least 400 ml is enough. Because this one, I'm not sure you can even, if you're somebody who use a lot of creams, maybe this one will not even be enough for a month. But you need a good body oil to pair it with. Like their oil is very, very good. Okay, it says apply twice daily on clean dry skin, focusing. Okay, I think I've read that one. If you are pregnant, you have stretch marks, if you just gave birth, your skin is just dull, you want to brighten and glow your skin, just get this Palmer Skin Success, okay, anti-dark spots. Please don't use it for your face. It's just a body lotion, and it's here. The pink thing you are reading here is visible results in as little as 2 weeks. So after 2 weeks, you are going to see that you are glowing. The smell is also mild. It's not so, it's not like here. It's so mild, like it's so down, and it has 5% niacinamide. This 5% niacinamide. Okay, there are two types of this cream. One has hydroquinone and the other doesn't. This one doesn't have hydroquinone. The one that doesn't have hydroquinone has niacinamide. Niacinamide is good for dark spots, good for to glow your skin. We use niacinamide. Oh, my baby is up. I have to hurry up. We use niacinamide for our face, the serums we use. So now we are lucky we have it in the body lotion too. So guys, get it and thank me later, okay? Thanks for watching. I have to go. My daughter is up. She's going to make noise. So at least you have gotten something good for the end of the year. Use it before December comes and you're going to love your skin. Thanks for watching. I love you. Bye.